Arrowroot versus corn flour, the better thickener.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's Food Science Talk. Today we're delving into the world of thickeners and answering a question many home cooks have pondered. Which is better for thickening sauces, soups, and gravies, arrowroot or corn flour? Let's take a closer look at both of these popular choices.
Understanding corn flour.
Corn flour, also known as cornstarch in some regions, is a fine white powder made from the starchy portion of corn kernels. It's widely used in cooking to thicken sauces, soups, and gravies. It's highly effective in small amounts and is generally mixed with a small amount of cold liquid before being added to hot dishes to prevent clumping. The main drawback to corn flour is that it tends to create a slightly cloudy appearance and may dull the color of the dish. It can also impart a slightly starchy taste if used in large quantities. High heat or prolonged cooking can break down corn flour, reducing its thickening power.
Getting to know arrowroot.
Arrowroot, on the other hand, is a starch extracted from several tropical plants. Like corn flour, it's used as a thickening agent in various dishes. It's gluten-free and neutral in flavor, making it a popular choice for those with dietary restrictions. Arrowroot has the advantage of creating a clear, shiny finish, making it especially suitable for glossy sauces or dishes where you want to maintain the clarity of the liquid. Unlike corn flour, it doesn't break down under high heat and keeps its thickening power, so it's a great choice for dishes that require longer cooking times. However, arrowroot isn't as readily available as corn flour and can be a bit more expensive. Also, it may not be suitable for recipes with dairy products as it tends to create a slimy texture. So, is arrowroot or corn flour better for thickening your dishes? As with many things in cooking, it depends on your specific needs. Corn flour is cheap, easily available, and effective in small amounts, but it may affect the appearance and flavor of your dish. Arrowroot, on the other hand, creates a glossy finish without affecting flavor, and holds up well under high heat, but it can be harder to find and more expensive. Understanding the properties of each will allow you to make the best choice for your recipes. Remember, a good cook knows how to adapt and choose the right tools for each dish. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this guide to thickeners has been helpful.